जो आप ज्वाइन करिए सर।
क्या नाम है उनका?
डॉक्टर बर्मन।
अरे, सबको एडमिट कर दे रहे हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा।
म्यूट किया अपना अपना म्यूट किए।
जी, एक बात बताइए, की साजिश में उनके साथ शामिल तो नहीं है? जवान साहब की बात कीजिए मुझे, हमारे पति हैं।
साउंड नहीं आ रहा सर।
स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ भाई।
हेलो
हेलो हेलो
हाँ
हेलो,
हेलो।
am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Sir, hold on, sir. We'll start within 1 and 2 minutes. Just hold on, sir. Thank you. Just 1 or 2 minutes. Give us 1 or 2 minutes. We'll start this session.
Okay. নিয়ে আসি রাইট অ্যাপটা,
এখানে আরামসে বসতে পারেন। আমি সই দিচ্ছি।
অ্যাডমিট এবারে দাও, একটা আসলো। আমি তো, আমার তো কোনো ব্যাপার না, আমি তো কথা। আচ্ছা
Is my voice audible? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is Vaibhav, and I welcome everyone to this mentorship session for student entrepreneurs. This session is jointly organized by Institution Innovation Council and Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. So there was some 5-minute delay because there was some problems from our guest speaker to join this session. So we are sorry for that. So now actually me and we are co-hosting this session. So For today's session, our expert is Dr. Subimal Roy Burman. He is Chief Engineer in West Bengal State Electricity Transmission Company Limited. He has done his PhD from Jadavpur University. His specialization is in electrical engineering. He has vast experience in the field of power system, generation, transmission, and distribution engineering. So on behalf of Chaibasa Engineering College, I welcome Dr. Roy to open this session. Over to you, sir.
Sir, please unmute yourself.
Roy, sir, Dr. Roy, sir, sir, please unmute yourself. Yes, sir, it is audible.
Okay. At first, I would like to thanks. Good afternoon. At first, I would like to thanks Professor Dr. R. Roy, Principal of Chaibasa Engineering College, and all the Department of Electronics Department, also the other professors already available in the meeting. My warmest greetings from my end. I am practically very much delighted for invitation to deliver on this issue. Maybe I am not a, maybe I may not cover all the points, but what I feel regarding this issue, I would like to share my experience, also my thought with all of you. So practically one thing, what I want to say that actually this is the, in case of practically at present the practically in the present economic scenario, I think okay, sorry. Practically regarding the mentorship session for student entrepreneurs. So regarding this, I think this is the what maybe one of the mentor maybe myself, also the mentees. What I think all the mentees is already are available in the meeting. So regarding the mentorship practically function, this is basically means to create interest for business, especially for would-be qualified graduate engineers. I think I think most all they are practically the young budding engineers are already available in the meeting. This is mainly to practically create some interest and some interaction with them, how to start a business or like their business. Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can hear. We can hear.
Okay. So how to create some business, especially at the especially in the present scenario in our country. So I think regarding these issues, I have to share my some experience or my what I feel. So first practically, which includes some knowledge of development and socio-economic functions such as entrepreneur career development, especially business knowledge, role model, who will be the role model, the presence of role model, also the emotional support. That is to provide emotional support to all the mentees, those who want to start the business. So for starting any business, some key start activities are required, like business planning. At first, I have to practically survey the field. At first, we should have to survey really there is some in case of my
सर आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा।
Sir, please unmute yourself. We are not hearing you.
Sir, can you just unmute yourself?
Yes.
Yes, sir, we can hear
Then-
now. Yes, yes. Now it's clear.
Okay. Practically, especially so from the central government, also from the state government, they are practically encouraging. They have say few schemes, particularly to motivate the young engineers to enter the new business fields. So we can explore all of these fields for seeking the sources of finance and for these new firms, also to interact with the external environment. For example, engaging in sales and marketing activities, networking. That is a networking. When the practically some products, practically when we want to practically to sell some products, then the networking should practically efficient networking should have to be think at first. So we have to practically interact with those who are practically selling all of these products, also those who are using all of these products. So practically we should have to practically maintain close networking with them, also to explore for the contacts, that is through detailed market surveys, what I told earlier. So these are the some of the things we should have to go through the before practically starting any business, that is business survey, business planning, seeking sources of finance from various sources, maybe from private sources also. Some private sources, they are also funding. If the at first perspective, we have to see what will be the where they are practically concentrating, they are practically the finances. So we may think in line of that also. And they are also some financial consultant. They are some financial consultant. They are practically giving some suggestion. They are giving some practically good suggestions or expert suggestions regarding this issue. So practically we can take the consultancy of these private concerns also regarding the financial planning. Hence, practically I think some steps should have been taken to be number one, clear business skills and knowledge. Number one. Also to run a company, you need to know your strong suit. Number one. Then number two, come with the good idea. That is a good idea. What will be the business field? Number three, find your part market. That is, you have sell your products. Number three. Then
साउंड ही निकले सर। साउंड नहीं आ रहा सर।
सर कुछ बोले नहीं अभी तक।
Sir, kindly unmute your mic.
अनम्यूट
Sir, your kindly unmute your mic, sir.
okay.
Now it is audible, sir.
Okay. Number three, that is the I think there are some connection problem. That's why particular sometime I was out from. Number three, that is the find your perfect market. That is the perfect market where you have to sell your products. Number four, create a business plan. What is the business plan? Create a business plan. Number four. Number three, create a brand. That is the brand. Then to create some brands. So brand name, you know, this is the brand name. So if you create some brand, which is catchy on bass, also that is already to attract some market. then you can practically you able to sell your products efficiently to the markets. So create a brand. Next, see, number 6 is decide on the location and platform where you have to practically locate your business, and also the whether maybe the factory or offices or supply center or your factory. Also the platform, which platform you have to use, So practically those are the things. Also the two things, another two things, that is the get registered. Practically you have to register your company to the local administration. That is the municipality like that, or panchayat. If it is in panchayat area, then you have to practically you have to register your business. Also get a dedicated team. Those who will help you to practically boost up the business. Also practically to help you to progress the business in a right way. So I think this should have to be taken care of. That is the efficient building of team. And that's why mentoring is a very important. So that's why what actually we have practically assembled here. That is, mentoring is very much important. So not only because of the knowledge and also the skill developments for the students, they can also learn. You can also learn from the mentors. Also, the mentoring is practically, this is a professional socialization. This is practically the professional socialization, and also the personal support to facilitate success in case of graduate school and beyond. Practically, this session is practically arranged by your college. That's why so that you can socialize with all these issues. Quality monitoring. Another thing, you have to maintain the quality of the products. If you do not maintain quality in a particular product, you are not able to sell your products. So this is a high competitive market. At present, in the market economy, because already in case of Nehruvian, practically there are some, there are some social commitment like that from the government also for this issue. But now at present, the market economy, you have to practically fight to practically go through all this odd situation. So if you do not maintain your quality, your products will be not practically pass through the market to sell to the end users. So you should have to be careful regarding the product quality of the product. Practically, the 3 key roles that we have to learn for the success of this mentor-mentee relationship, that is the consultant. If it required, that is practically you have to take the help of the consultant, maybe your professors, those who are practically very much interested to guide you. Already I know that in your college, some professors already very much interested to practically guide you regarding to start a business. So I think you can consult with them also. And if it required, you can also consult with the professional consultants also, or those who are in a particular business. You can practically talk with them also. And number 2, please listen. You have to gather knowledge from all of them. Please at first try to listen. And if any query after hearing, please practically talk with them, all of these consultants or counselor, and throw your problems and get all the practical suggestions from them. And be a cheerleader. That means you have to practically motivate with your team. Those should have to be dedicated team, and you have to motivate them. Because if you do not motivate them, if you do not maintain good do not maintain the good managership with them, you are not able to practically fetch the maximum output output from them. Give them support, and they will certainly practically try to their levels best to practically gear your business to forward direction. So be careful regarding all of these management issues. Also, some mentoring tips and resources. Practically set expectations. That is support. Support is required from your mentors to take support for to practically overcome all of these challenges. Be a positive role model. Be a positive role model, and practically genuinely interested to practically hear from all the suggestion from the mentee, from the mentor, so that if it required, you can practically according to your requirement, you can modify all of the suggestions according to your requirement of the business, and practically share your experiences and insights with all that your fellow team, and ask question from them what they are facing, if they are facing any problem while selling your products to the markets. Practically ask what they are facing and practically try to solve their problems, all the problems. And please maintain a cordial relationship with all your fellow members, and practically act as a sounding board practically, and provide helpful feedback. Give them, provide helpful feedback now, and acknowledge achievements of your team. If they do practically, if some people they are doing the good things for your business, please acknowledge them and practically appreciate them what they are doing. Because appreciation, if you appreciate them, practically you get maximum output from the fellow team or from your fellow team. So what we have found in case of business, we found in case of technology, practically 30% practically in case of from starting a business, what we feel that in case of technology, that is technology oriented business, 30% students are practically interested for the business. What we have found, the rest 70% may are engaging in their maybe in their some services or maybe professorship like that, etc. Also, in case of textile industry, 9 to 10%, most of the students, 9 to 10% students engaged with the clothing and textile industry. And some people, they are practically interested regarding the administration and business services, 10% of like that. And some people, they are maybe from engineering students, some they are practically interested regarding the tutorial center, 10% of like that, maybe interested. In addition of the 30%, those who are practically mainly interested for a business absolutely related to technology, maybe in the IT sector, maybe in the course sector. And also some people may be associated with the charity or voluntary and social work, maybe more or less 8% like that. So what we have find that the most of the practically the student practically interested mainly regarding this entrepreneurial ventures, they are mainly interested regarding the technology based business, technology based are mostly interested. Students should have to access, at present it is computer in every home or everywhere. So all students have to access to computers and the internet through their smartphone. Also, they have, everyone got their smartphone. So practically with a little entrepreneurial spark, student can set up their own business. Certainly, practically they're the smartphone era. Practically, there are practically a lot of scope to start its own business based on the internet. And some people maybe some people from you may be interested regarding the arts and craft businesses, which is also popular. Because they have practically maybe some people may be interested in. So another thing what we have found at present, some students, what we have found from my experience, some students are also interested in the part-time business. That is, they are doing some service after that they are practically for some additional interest, maybe for money, or maybe some practically maybe for special interest for a particular business. They are practically part-time on part-time basis. They are engaged practically in some businesses. So part-time career is also very much encouraged one. So business can be, or some people also practically they are doing business in the off days of their service, that is leisure hours of the day. They are also interested regarding this issue. These aspects should also be considered by the mentees, I think, in terms of part-time business. In addition of that full-time business, part-time business or business oriented works on of days, practically those were practically the holidays. So now the challenges, what we have found, the challenges bring out the best in case of on mentees. A challenging environment brings out the best qualities in a would-be entrepreneur. This is practically at present a very much challenging environment, especially COVID-19 scenario. This is a very much challenging environment. So practically, I think we should have to explore all of this issue so that what such as innovation, problem solving, and creativity, these are all synonyms. What we have imagined as an entrepreneur to be in the modern day, practically the innovation. Practically, we should have some innovation, innovative in nature, problem solving attitude. Also, some creativity should have to be in a particular mentees, so that they can tackle all of this challenging atmosphere, which is practically the very much inevitable in the present days condition. So by learning the skills needed to be an entrepreneur, students can apply their knowledge to the field in which they wish to enter. So it is important that young entrepreneur learn that it is important to think creatively and be flexible. Flexibility should have to be there so that we can start switching to another business if it required. There should have some flexibility. So you see, in case of some popular brand, they have actually changed their business area. So if it required, you should have to change your business area. Okay. So be flexible if you want to practice to run your successful running of your business. If it is always required according to situation, according to rules of the particular rule of a particular state or country. So that's why learning to overcome a challenge is vital to creating a thriving business. Okay. So now next point is what skills help entrepreneurs overcome challenges. What type of practical skills required? All of these challenges, to meet all of these challenges to start a business. Number one, leadership skills, innovation, leadership skill, innovation, curiosity for a particular thing. If it is practically, if there is no curiosity, then practically you cannot practically excel your business. So curiosity should have to be there. Should have to be there. Leadership skill should have to be there. Unless you have not ample leadership skill, you are not able to success in a particular business. Also, the next comes strategic thinking, resilience. That is, you should have to resilience so that you can adhere to a particular challenging field or challenging business. Unless you are practically, ultimately, you have no resilience, you are not able practically all of these channels, or you are not able to sail through this more challenging scenario. A resilience should have to be not. Next, mentorship and networking. So we know that Warren Buffett, I think you have all practically you have no it is known to all. Practically he has started most of his career practically after becoming a senior citizen. So Bill Gates practically considered Warren Buffett to be his mentor. Why? Because Warren Buffett started his business after being a senior citizen. And Steve Jobs of Apple thought of E.D. Woodward, the Apple board member who encouraged Apple co-founder to return to the company after several years in the wilderness as his mentor. So there are some mental problem of Steve Jobs, you know all. So Woodward he practically motivated him, Steve Jobs, to again back in the Apple board. And you know that what he have done, or his practically what he have done, Mr. Jobs, what he have done while being a practical CEO of that Apple company. So the mentor should have to be such that he can motivate him, he can practically bring in new environment and also the freshness to a mentee. Regarding the grants, so what I told earlier, you may be able to apply for grants from various bodies, local, state government, central government have already various schemes, what I told earlier, to encourage them. Also, it is not necessary to be an expert in your field. Maybe you may not be to be if you know every tidbits for a particular field, but the most successful entrepreneurs, while talented and well informed in their industry, combine knowledge with hard work. Combine knowledge, hard work, and constant personal development. Personal development in every field. Maybe they are not know everything of a particular product, but they have some practically there some talent. Also with their dedicated hard work, and also personal development, they have practically sell the business to a better position. One of the most valuable traits an entrepreneur can have is to learn from experience. That is their experience, what they are facing every day while doing business, and apply hard-learned lesson to future strategic planning. Okay, hard-learned lessons, what they have faced while doing a business in a particular practical field. Maybe what we are discussing in case of practical field, maybe there may be some deviation, but they should have to practically learn a lot from this. And they have to do the best thing for future strategic planning. Through market analysis, you will be able to objectively assess the feasibility of your idea. So market analysis, you can practically able to assess what is your idea and whether it is practically in concurrence with your market analysis. There is such a vital process for any entrepreneur, because if you wish to grow your company, perhaps by seeking investment funds, you are going to need to be able to provide powerful evidence of the demand in the market for your product, service, and brand. So practically, if you want fund from various private sector, government sector, so you have to practically provide your ability, and also you have to show your business idea or business plan, that this product, all of these products you have produced have huge or ample demand in a particular market. Also the servicing, after maintenance service you can provide after maintenance, or if you can provide efficient service if there is any problem. And also the brand name, if there will be no problem for a particular warranty, there will be no problem for your products. You should have to assure that. Then certainly they will practically provide fund for your business. Unless they will not provide business, if you started the business for a sinking ship. everyone practically expect return from their business investment. So those who are funding organization, they have a few good financial analysts. They practically analyze your business plan. After that, they will practically allot fund for you. Access to funding. For many entrepreneurs, raising capital is essential to bring their vision to life. Funding might be needed for product manufacture, marketing, and hiring employees. This funding is automatically required for employees' cost to practically to purchase raw products for your particular business. Also to practically provide salary for marketing professionals. Those who are practically those who you have already engaged to market, particularly for marketing of your products. So practically fund is practically required for all of these 3 points. That is for product manufacture, marketing, and hiring employees. So recognizing your own strength and weakness and being able to market yourself to stakeholders and decision makers are invaluable skills. Even if they do not lead to a successful funding application, they will sharpen your pitching skill and understanding of all the function of your business. So they are practically also guide you at first if it requires practically you to reshape your business like this way, so that you can sell your product in a particular market with a huge return or like that. They practically guide you. So I think if they practically see that you are right, practically you are guiding your business to a particular good right direction, they will certainly provide money capital for your business. They are practically watching. They have some watching dogs. They are practically always they are into watching. They are watching your business, in which way you are running your business. If your business is running in a good way, they are practically certainly they will come to you to fund your business. Next thing, aside from getting a fund business graphs on your business feasibility, knowing your market also involves identifying whom you want to approach for capital. Serious research work in identifying your investor. So practically, from where you have to take your funds to start a business, you should have to also research regarding this or for this also. Which bank you have to prefer, which financial institution you have to prefer. You have to take some your team, or you should have to practice also. So you have to take fund from a financial institution having a huge interest for this capital. So that after borrowing this capital, your business will not able to survive. So before taking a decision regarding to funding your business, please take care of this all this issue. From which source, practically or sources, you have to procure your fund. The network you established at university will help you get started by making connection with local business people and your lecturers. You will have the support you need to identify the right investors for your business, and at the same time gain invaluable advice from experienced entrepreneurs. While you are college, you can practically contact with your seniors also. Also the alumni. They are practically certainly they will help the juniors, your brothers, for just to start a business. Also they will share their valuable experience with you, and they will also provide some networking to start your business successfully from them. So practically keep contact with them and try to start your business while in your college. I think you can get a lot of connections from all of you. There are also your lecturers. They have a good connection with all the established or well accomplished students, past students. So practically they will also help you. Lecturers also help you, or mentors. They will also help you to practically guide, to identify the right investor for your business. And at the same time, you can get invaluable advice from your seniors. Also, this is also where having a strong mentor can come in handy, because they will be able to give you first-hand advice on how they secure funding for their own business. Okay. They will give you the first-hand advice, how to start a business. They will give their experience, real-time, real-life experience. They will share with you, certainly. When approaching investors with your pitch, it can be invaluable to know whether they are likely to be receptive to your business model. They will also, certainly they will share whether your business will be practically get acceptance from the potential customers or not. They will practically share their experience or share their thoughts. You will understand this by approaching investors at the earliest possible stage. Before you can make a formal approach for capital, it is crucial to ensure your approach is correctly targeted when asking for capital by gauging the interest level of different investors. That means what I told earlier, practically some financial institution, they are practically mainly interested for a particular business in a particular technical field. Some may be interested for the another field. So you have to practically make a ample study regarding this issue also. After then, you should have to approach to that particular financial institution for funding. What I want to say that a particular project-specific funding also available from that particular financial institution. Those who are interested for a particular business. Everyone is not interested for every business, so you should have to take it into your consideration. All are not interested for all businesses, so practically you have to think, if you want to practically, if you require some funding from the financial institution to take care of this issue. So for selecting any business, which business you have to go through. You can also investigate the track record of potential investors to see whether their interests lie, and when then ask yourself what the companies that have successfully owned investment capital have done. They prefer their business plan and apply it to your own viable level. Okay. So it is good to get them on investors radars early. It means that they can guide you on where you need to be before they will seriously consider giving you the investment you need. Do some research on your investors and ask yourself the following question: what is their reputation like? What are their reputation like? What are they offering? Just money, or do they offer more support in the form of business expertise and a mentoring? Do they have the same or similar values to yourself? So, before selecting any concern, you should have to go through this issue. Also, another thing what I want to say, that investment capital is not everything. You have got ample money from the investors, or you have some from your family background, you have got ample capital. But this does not mean that the business will succeed unless you have some business planning, practically for the leadership quality, or market survey, ample market, the extensive market survey. Only the capital, investment capital is not everything. Please be careful regarding this issue. So do not despair if you cannot secure investment capital. If you do not get it, then do not practically waste much more time for this capital. There are other ways of securing funding. Whether you pursue a grant, or even put your own money into a business. Then start your business in a small way. Do not give any credit. So start your business at first. I think if you practically, if you get some return, then automatically the financial institution, certainly they will come. They will show to give you to say on your own. It demonstrates in your. You should have. If you have not, if you are not believer in yourself, no one will practically believe. No one will practically believe for you also for business. So at first believe yourself that yes, I am able to do a business. Hello.
Hello, sir. Kindly unmute your mic, sir. Your mic is muted.
No, I think this is not muted.
Now it's okay, sir.
Okay. So regarding the what I practically there's some again the connection problem right there. So the one thing what I want to tell that you should have to believe in yourself. Unless you are not able to get funding from your other financial institutions, also from other other sources. So be careful regarding this. If you have no belief in yourself, then you are not able to practically. You're not able to. I think I request you not to start any business. At first, believe in yourself, and you should have some resolution in yourself, and you should have some acumen or some interest for your business. Then please start the business. Unless don't go to this new venture, because you should have to give your 100% attention for a particular new business. So student entrepreneurs should also be able to demonstrate exactly what they are putting into their startup idea. Do they have enough faith in their idea to put in their own money? That means if you have you got the faith to invest your own money, also your own time, also the resources. At first, practically think yourself. If you are ready to invest your money, your own time, also the human power, HR resources for this particular new business, then practically proceed. Then you can go on. Unless don't venture for a new business. Another thing, grant and competitions are an alternative form of investment worth pursuing. However, you still need to firmly prove the efficacy of your business plan. That is, the efficacy of your business plan must. Unless, nothing will happen. You might be thinking, what about business and startup loan? Business loans can be a valuable source of funding for a student entrepreneur. With a business loan, you should secure anywhere from a few thousand to million of pounds. However, when researching loan, it is important to assess risk, evaluate the feasibility of repayment schedule. The loan you have taken from the financial, you have to assess the risk, evaluate the feasibility of repayment schedules, and understand all the condition of the loan before making yourself responsible for repayment. At least do not take any loan from any particular financial institution. Get all the pros and cons of the deal. Then you practically engage yourself for this particular loan, taking any loan from a particular institution. So these are all the issues I have already discussed. I have already discussed all the issues regarding to start a business by a mentees or student mentees. So I think you are practically these are, I think, and there are a huge scope. What I can at the end of the lecture, what I can say, or what I can practically share to you, that there are a huge scope in India practically to start any business or like that. Government of India also practically encouraging to start a business for the young engineers. So you can practically explore, because service will be certainly you have competency to got any service. So to get to able to practically get any service. So I think, please, at first you can 1 or 2 years you can take the risks. After taking the risks for 1 or 2 years or 3 years, practically you can practically, if you fail here, then you can practically go through to your go to the service field. So you can practically explore this idea also. If it clicked, I think you are practically at the top of the